The National Weather Service in Hanford has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fresno County in Central California, Kings County in Central California, Madera County in Central California, Tulare County in Central California, until 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 46 miles southwest of Lemoore Station to 80 miles southwest of Madera to 53 miles southwest of Fresno, moving east at 64 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 120 miles per hour wind gusts and 7 inches of hail. Source, public. Impacts, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have severe damage. Locations impacted include Fresno, Visalia, Tulare, Hanford, Lemoore Station, Corcoran, Cattleman City, Avenal, Coalinga, Mendota, Chowchilla, Madera Acres, Clovis, Reedley, Selma, Sanger, Fresno Yosemite International Airport, Farmersville, Corsigold and Oakhurst. Repeating. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties, in California: Fresno, Kings, Madera and Tulare counties.